Established in 2006, Xiamen Sheep Anti-Fatigue Mat Company Limited is the leading and first anti-fatigue mat designer and manufacturer in China. With over 8,000 square meters production base and 1,500 square meters sales center, we have the capacity of 5 million pieces annual production and over 20 new designs per year. Our products cover office, home, medical, industry, hairdressing, sports fields, while the main markets are USA, Canada, West Europe, Australia, and Middle East. With certificate of BSCI, ISO 9001, our company established a comprehensive and complete system in enterprise management, as well as quality control. Our core competencies are that we are a sales solution provider with more than sales. We are capable to provide latest market information for our clients' reference. We provide 12 months warranty for the goods. We implement before and after production inspection to the raw materials and products. We have more than 80 patents both in domestic and overseas. Even a good reputation of our company in anti-fatigue mat industry has been well known by the market. Each year we invest in online promotion channels, exhibition fairs, new product release events all around the world. In years of efforts, we have been awarded lots of honors from the government or relevant authorities, such as Enterprise of Innovation, High-Tech Enterprise, etc. By cooperating with TUV, SGS, we ensure the quality of products and protect the reputation of our honorable clients.